Now that iOS 12 has finally launched, we're starting to see third-party applications take advantage of all the great features, and that includes third-party maps in CarPlay. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider, where we've installed the latest Google Maps update and are going to give you a first look at what it's like to run third-party maps, Google Maps in this case, in Apple CarPlay. You're all familiar with the existing Apple Maps application. Some people love it and some people hate it. And now with iOS 12, third-party maps can take advantage of this as well. The first one to take advantage of this new feature is Google Maps. On the top left-hand corner, you can add destination, including recent searches, using the microphone, or different points of interest. You can go ahead and choose any of them, like Rancho Alegre here. It'll give you the overview how long it'll take to get there, how far it is, and it even gives you an alert saying it may not even be open by the time you arrive. It will then, of course, just plot your directions on the map and guide you there. We did notice a little bit of stuttering as we attempted to pan around the map. As I'm touching the screen, things are not quite moving as I would expect them. There's definitely a little bit of lag, and we didn't see this with Apple's own mapping application. There is another way to move stuff around just by tapping on that little control icon in that bottom right. You can use the arrows on the side of the screen and zoom in or zoom out. You can actually zoom in quite close, which is kind of neat if you're really trying to get a pinpoint on a location that you're trying to get to. Tapping on Done to get back to our main screen, we can tap on that gear icon on the top right hand corner and get a few different setting options, including avoiding highways, avoiding tolls, avoiding ferries, switching to the satellite map, and keeping north pointing up perpetually. We took Google Maps inside of CarPlay for a few spins, headed out to get some coffees, and overall it worked pretty well. It's Google Maps. If you love Google Maps, then you're probably going to love it here. It is just nice to have another option other than Apple Maps for using CarPlay. It works as expects, the maps all look great, really like the angle that it provides and the ability to zoom so far in and so far out. A couple things we wanted to note as well: if you do prefer Google Maps over Apple Maps, you can always rearrange your icons. Going to your iPhone, go to Settings, go to General, CarPlay, and choose your vehicle. There, you can rearrange any of the icons just like you can on your iPhone or iPad's home screen. The biggest downside we found was that you can't use Siri to control Google Maps. And if you do use their voice-activated features, it requires you to actually touch buttons, which can be a little bit unfortunate when you're trying to drive a car. As long as you're going to play it safe and maybe get your directions all situated before you actually hit the road, that shouldn't be too much of an issue for most people. So what do you guys think of Google Maps and CarPlay? Are you guys pretty excited for this? Luckily, it's not going to be the only one, with many different developers pledging support for third-party maps in CarPlay, including Waze, which should be coming up very soon. That is already in testing, so we should see Waze actually hitting the App Store with an update in not too long of time. There are also some apps that are coming out that should support offline maps, which is really handy if you're heading out into the wilderness, camping, going to some park somewhere, and you don't have an active cell connection. I have run into this myself many times, and I'm very excited to see some offline mapping options come available as well. So let us know what you guys think. Which mapping option is your favorite? Share that all below in the comments.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products, updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.